guys, welcome to another video. Today we're gonna be doing a tutorial, so let's get into it. Ba-da-bum-bum-bum. Okay, so first we're going to, right now I just took off my stuff, so we're gonna need this. That's gonna be able to make like transparency and collision. Oh, hi, who is this guy? Well, so first we're gonna need to look in there, and where is, okay, so we're just gonna get some blocks. You don't need this, you don't need the scale tool, but like, I'm just using it because it's faster. So, I'm not a robot. So then you're gonna use your tool to turn it a bit transparent. I usually do 50. But, wait, actually, no, I'm gonna do, okay, I'll wait until after I see what it looks like. So then, we're going to put a small layer of glass. So let me get some of that. I can't completely remember how to do it, so hopefully I get it right. So I remember that. Somehow I did it on accident once. Okay. Let's keep, then I'm gonna put it half, so then it can go all the way through. And that's, go up, okay. So now, wait, I just noticed, it's not right. Wait, I think I need to get the, I need to get the actual block a bit darker. Okay, yeah, so it's harder to see through, but I just noticed, yeah, I think I need to actually, yeah, I'll fix that. So you probably shouldn't put the whole block, so you should probably half it out. Divide it, so you're pretty, it's hard to see, but you want to make it a bit darker. Well, if you want to make it a bit darker, I think, to me, that's pretty good. But I'll add it for anyone else that wants to see. So you'd still just put 25. The other one I changed to 25 because I didn't think it was a bit dark enough. But, okay. I think that is it. So, yeah. Thanks for watching, but I have one more thing to show you guys. Yeah. Okay. Also, if you haven't known, I have been working on something. You probably haven't known because I've said absolutely nothing about it, so let's show you. I have made, I don't know why I put the S, but I made a tiny house. So next I'm gonna make beside that house a big house, and yeah, it's probably gonna work out well. But the door, just no. So thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Sub.